Adjusting a traverse. This particular survey contains a traverse for a number of control stations used in a topographical survey. The software has the ability to adjust the traverse. We do this by clicking on Survey on the drop down list and Traverse. The top half of the screen displays a plan view of each station used in the traverse. The bottom half displays the observations to the back site and the forward site of that particular setup, this being the first setup. By clicking Next, we advance to the next station setup, and we could do this throughout the whole length of the traverse. One thing to be noted is that we can select and deselect any of the observations we want or don't want to use. Continue through by clicking Next for each station setup. Notice the plan is being updated every time you click Next, displaying the occupied stations and the two reference stations. HCR, VCR and slope distances are displayed for both back station and forward station. Now the software wants us to define the primary route of the traverse. To do this, we select each of the legs of the traverse in the order that it was carried out. Each leg selected changes to blue with an arrow added showing the direction of the traverse. Once a closed traverse has been defined, there's a message saying coordinate and angular adjustment possible on the bottom left. Click Adjust. The screen now displays the misclosure, angular error, distance error, easting and northing errors. Also shows a list of the station ID names with their adjusted and unadjusted coordinates. We have the option here as well to print the adjustments, accept. We now have the opportunity to define a secondary traverse, which the software will also adjust. In this case, we only have the primary traverse. We want to apply these adjustments to the actual topographical survey. We can now apply all the adjustments to the survey, so the station setup will now be updated with the new control coordinates, and all subsequent survey detail will also be adjusted. We can also update the control station file within the project. Here's the updated control with the coordinates. If we update that, we can view this by going back into the NRG Win, Editors, Control Station Editor, and this displays our updated control. We now have a survey with an updated control network, so we can now start processing the survey.